go in the living room. Let's see what Santa brought.
Let's see what Santa brought.
Caleb.
This way.
Caleb.
To the living room.
Buddy. Look.
Look.
Yeah. What do you see, buddy? Come here. Look what you got. Can I take your milk? Okay, I'll take Kitty too. Uh-huh.
What did Santa bring you?
Yeah.
Did you get cars?
All the big stuff, and you go for the Hot Wheel cars.
Did you get cars?
Hey, buddy. Look, it's a kitchen set.
You can make cookies.
Uh-huh. Whoa. Whoa. Here, Caleb.
Look in the oven. You can make cookies. And make phone calls.
Uh-huh.
And wash dishes. Just like Mommy and Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
And it's your own size.
Is that cool or what, buddy? Is that cool or what? Look, you also have a new table. You can
Look,
sit at
it's
your
your own table.
You can sit at your table now and play with your cards. You don't have to use a windowsill anymore. Yeah. Isn't that cool?
That's awesome.
Okay, you want me to open it for you? Okay. Uh-huh.
Yeah, you get to keep them.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah. One more. Uh-huh. Isn't that cool?
From Santa? Do you like all your new toys?
Because you guys are acting really weird. What's all this for?
Caleb, can you smile for Mommy? All right, hey, it's time to open presents.
You want to open some more presents?
Say bye-bye.